Relationships between sets of rational numbers. Set, a group of items. Whole number, any number without a fraction or decimal. It's always positive. Integer, the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Subset, a set contained within another set. Whole numbers is a subset of integers. And integers is a subset of rational numbers. If you remember, we have whole, we have integer, and we have rational. Every whole number is a whole number, an integer, and a rational. All integers are integers and rationals are just rational numbers. Whole numbers are numbers that are not fractions and decimals, and they're always positive. Integers are whole numbers and their opposites, and rational numbers are fractions and decimals. Let's take a look at the first example. Classify each number by naming the set or sets which it belongs to. 29. 29 is a whole number, and if it's a whole number, it's also an integer and a rational. So 29 is whole number, integer, and rational. -1/6. -1/6 is a fraction or decimal, so it's a rational number, only a rational number. -52 is an integer and a rational. .66 with a bar over it is a rational number, and only a rational number. Number 2, tell whether the given statement is true or false. Explain your choice. All integers are rational numbers. Here's integers, and it is a subset of rational numbers. So we're going to say true. Integers is a subset of rational. B, all integers are whole numbers. No, that's false, because if you have -5, -5 cannot be a whole number. So false. Negatives cannot be whole numbers. All right, next one. 5. Classify each number by naming its set or sets to which it belongs. Well, 5 is a whole number. It's also an integer, and it is a rational. Remember our graphic organizer. We have whole number, we have integer, and we have rational. So 5 is whole, integer, rational. Negative 24 is an integer and a rational. 4 and 5/10. That is just a rational and only a rational. Okay, be careful on number 4. Number 4 is not simplify. If you simplify this out by typoing it, 12 divided by 4, you get 3. And that is a whole number 3. So this is a whole number. And if it's a whole number, it's also an integer. And it's also a rational number. All right, let's take a look at number 5. All rational numbers are integers. This is false. So if you remember our graphic organizer, we have whole number, we have integer, and we have rational. All rational are integers. False because fractions and decimals cannot be integers. All right. Number 6. Some integers are whole numbers. That's true. So for example, if I have 3, 3 is a whole number and it's an integer. So not all integers are whole numbers, but some are. All positive integers are whole numbers.